drone attack on Sevastopol power plant in Crimea. According to authorities, a power plant in Sevastopol on the Crimea Peninsula annexed by Russia was attacked by a drone. This was announced by the head of the city administration, Mikhail Rachev, on Thursday. During the attack at night, a transformer was set on fire, but it was not connected to the grid. No one was injured and there were no effects on the city's power supply. The drone was intercepted as it approached the power plant. Sevastopol is important at the base of the Russian Black Sea Fleet. There have been several explosions in military installations and drone attacks on the peninsula, which has been claimed by Russia since 2014. Ukraine does not officially commit to this, but the incident suggests that Kiev has the ability to attack far beyond the front lines. According to media transport, a full debut in the Russian-controlled city of Sevastopol in Donbass went out in flames on Wednesday. The city is about 50 kilometers from the front east of Donetsk. The Ukrainian army repeatedly attacks Russian supplies launched for long-range HIMARS rocket launchers from the USA. What do you think?